Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Teams. So let's get straight into the video guys. So first of all, what you want to do is go onto your internet browser. So I'm going to open up the Google Chrome browser, my favorite one. So what we're going to do is in the search bar here, type in Microsoft Teams download. And if you search that, but the very first one at the top there, it says download desktop and mobile apps, and it's the Microsoft Teams. What we do is click on that. So here you are, here's the Microsoft Teams website. So it says download for desktop. So when you click that, and then this page comes up, it says download Teams for work on your desktop. So what we're going to do is click download Teams. So this is going to take a bit of time, maybe. It all depends on your internet connection. If it's fast, it'll download quite quick. It's 109 megabytes to download. It said it will be downloaded in 60 seconds. So just a couple of seconds to do that. And then we'll get straight into it, and I'll show you what will come up next. So almost done, guys. So I'm going to click on open when done. So another second left. So here we are, guys. It's installing Microsoft Teams. Couple of seconds. Like I said, your internet connection will make the difference here. If you've got a fast internet connection, that'll be quick. If it hasn't, it'll be a bit more slower. So make sure you have a strong internet connection when you're doing it. There you are. I'm just going to while that loads. So there you are, guys. It's created a shortcut on the desktop on the left here. So if you click on that, it will launch up your Teams. So there you are, guys. Once you've clicked on the Microsoft Teams, it's going to ask you to put in your details in. So whatever details you have, make sure you get one. If you haven't, you want to create one, you can create one as well. There you are, guys. That's how you download the Microsoft Teams app and install it onto your laptop or desktop. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. And make sure you comment down below for any other videos you want me to make, any other things that you're having problems with, and I'll do them. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.